Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you why I love this miter saw and this miter saw stand. It just makes a great combination. Let's go ahead and set it up. First we're going to push the legs down. Very easy. Okay, and I'm going to kick it over center. Voila. Okay, so first let's talk about the miter saw, then I'm going to talk a little bit more about the stand. I did attach the miter saw to these brackets. These brackets come with the stand and the bolts. It was very easy. If I ever want to just take the miter saw completely off, I can take it off of this stand, or if I need to move it left or right. Very, very simple. There's a nice big handle there. So let's talk about the miter saw. I got it in the stored position. Lift it up. It just works really, really well. I don't know what else to say about it. It just works really well. It's got a big handle on the back here if you need to tilt it anyway. You can tighten it down. And then if I need to do angle cuts, it's very simple. Just loosen this, push this down, and it's got detents. We've got a detent for 30, 45, 22, 15, and 0. When you got it there, just kind of turn that, locks it. So it has the Allen wrench on board when you need to change the blade. You're going to lift this up, make sure it's unplugged, and that's for that right there to change that. And you're going to push this down to hold the blade while you turn that Allen wrench. Okay, so I'm going to cut a 2x4, but let's talk about these rollers here. We can move these in and out. We got these two little, loosen these up. This will come out, but it won't come out, so you may have to raise it up a little bit because it wasn't coming past that handle there. Which brings me to, I can lift these rollers up and down. Let's go over here. Again, all of this was very easy to put together. This rolls out. And again, I can loosen this, and then this can roll up and down. Okay, so here I got a 2x4 on. Let's go ahead and give it a cut. I just can't believe how well it works. The cut is really nice. So I recently just installed a brand new kitchen, and this thing, I used it for the entire process. And the bag that comes on back here, it does capture quite a bit of the sawdust. This thing does fill up after a while. It's very easy to change. It's got a zipper on the bottom. You can take it out and clean it out. Here's the specs on the motor. 15 amp motor, 1,520 watts. Again, just very impressed with this miter saw. And I really did like this miter saw stand. Okay, so let's put everything up. Let's put the saw down. We can put that in. Let's stow the cord. I just wrapped the cord around. Kind of get it up out of the way so it's not dragging around. Let's store these. Move these in and tighten these. We've got these over here. Loosen them. Now you want to make sure you retighten them. Then you're just going to lift it up over center. You're going to stow the top ones first by pressing these levers. Then stow the bottom ones. Everything locks into place. Now I can wheel this around. I can store it out of the way. It's just super, super nice. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.